Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ronice.Chantal, but you can call me Ronice. Welcome back, you guys. Today we got a fun one. Today we're going to be sublimating on puzzles and magnets for your refrigerator. We're going to be doing that today. And also, stick around to the end. I will be announcing the giveaway winner. So don't miss out on that. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. We are just moving on up. Moving on up. I just got done eating dinner and working. So I'm a little sleepy, but I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for y'all. So let's get into what you will need for this project. Alright, you guys, so what you will need is, I got the 15 sheets of blank puzzles, the 7.87 by 5.51 off of Amazon. Just a cute little small one for my son and for myself. You never know, I might want to do a puzzle. Got that. And I also got this sublimation blank magnets. Forgot how many's in there, but it's a lot in here. So these are 5 by 5 by 0.4. So this little cute pack of square magnets. And what else you'll need is some heat transfer tape, some heating gloves, and parchment paper. Got this right from Dollar Tree. Also need sublimation paper and a sublimation printer. So yeah, that is all you will need. You pretty much don't need your Cricut today because I'm going to be getting a design off of Creative Fabrica and yeah, working with that. So let's head on to the computer. This is where we're going to upload our image and print from here. I have the pro version, but you do not need the pro version to do this. You could totally do this on the free version. So we're going to go ahead and go over to create a design. And we're going to go to custom size. Change that to inches. So we're going to do, it's 7.87 by 5.51, but you want to go a little bit bigger just to make sure you cover the whole puzzle. So let's do 7.90 by 5. Let's do 60. And create a design. That is perfect. And now we're going to upload. I'm going to do Baby Groot for my son. I'm going to drag this over. Let's do this first and then we'll size them out. The size. That'll make a lot more sense. So we're just gonna flip these two. 5.6, 7.9, copy and resize. There we go. Perfect. So now we're going to stretch him out. Perfect. Oh, he is so, I love Baby Groot. I love Baby Groot. He is so cute. All right. So that looks good. We're going to go ahead and share, download, and PDF print, and then download. All right, now we're going to find a design to sublimate on our magnets. And I think I'm going to do like a full page, just see how many I can fit onto the paper. So we're going to do 8.5 by 11. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a design. Let's find something. Let's do this bright pink one right here. Just gonna go ahead and drag it. go. And we're gonna go ahead and print this one. All right, you guys, so we got our image printed out. Got the baby Groot. I had to make him a little bit bigger because the other size was just too perfect, so I didn't want to take that risk, so I made him a little bit bigger. And we have our puzzle. All right, let's go ahead and get this onto the image. It's a little extra hanging out, but that's okay. I'd rather more than less. All right, I'm gonna get tape on there. All right, so we got our image taped on. So now when you put it in the heat press, you want to make sure the puzzle is down and the paper is facing towards the plate. Very important because you're gonna just end up burning this. So we're gonna lay some parchment paper down. So like I said, the puzzle is going to be facing this way. We're going to put more parchment paper on the top. Right. And I got my heat press set at 390 for 60 seconds, and let's do it. Make sure you have the pressure. Ooh, look at all that steam. I'm gonna grab your heat gloves because it's gonna be really hot. My first puzzle, y'all. See the colors coming through, so that's a good sign. So let's go ahead and see what we got under here. Oh, oh my goodness. Y'all, we just made our first puzzle. Look at that. Look at baby Groot on the puzzle. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Make sure you leave a like. Hit that like button if you like this, because I like it. This is pretty dope. I'm just going to remove this heat transfer tape. Hopefully my son's not in bed so he can play with this once it's cooled off. But it's like 9 o'clock at night, so it's his bedtime right now. Let's move on to the magnets. So here are the magnets. This is the part where you put on the fridge. So this can be on the side. So we're gonna sublimate on these. So let's see how much we can fit on that paper I just printed. All right, you guys, so I got 7 on here. I realized I don't want to use a whole paper, so maybe I should just cut it. Because I want to use the rest for my kids. Put their photo in there. So let's cut this in half. Use a smaller smaller one. Looks like I can make another puzzle with this. Actually, I will probably do that. Let's make a puzzle with this. All right, so let's put our all right, so we have it all taped down, as you can see. So again, we're gonna place some budget paper down. Perfect. I'm just gonna use the same one from the last time. Put the paper on top. There we go. So I think it's ready. All right, again, put our heat gloves on. Let's see what we got here. Guys ready? Let's see. Hope I didn't burn it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could see my face, but oh my. Y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's like all shiny and stuff. I am so excited. I can make my own magnets now? What? I can make my own magnets? Look at that one. Oh, that's beautiful. And I just measured that other piece I cut, and it fits that puzzle perfectly, so that'll be a fun one for my daughter, and then she can hang it up in her room. Here's the last one. That is so cute. Oh my God. So that's that. Let's work on this other puzzle. So, like I was saying, this fits right onto the puzzle. Perfect. The flower puzzle is done. So move that around. Let's see what we got here. All right. Already a good sign. I see the image popping through, so that's a good sign. So let's do the peel away. All right, y'all. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh my good. Oh my gosh. What? What? Another one. Is this another one? This is another one. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Yes. And so with the magnets, what you do is peel away the other part, like so, and then you place it right on the back of the magnet, and it'll stick to your fridge. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the backs on these and get right back to you. All right, you guys, so we are now going to pick our random winner for the giveaway. Let me show you guys again what you will be receiving. This Cricut bundle. I don't want to go through it because I want to keep it nice and neat for you guys. So right now we're going to pick a winner from the comments. So let's get started. All right, Bad Dennis, you are the lucky winner. So hit me up on Instagram. I will be reaching out, asking for your address so we can get this prize shipped out to you. Congratulations! Woo!